We need a cucumber. Cut the cucumber into small slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need 1 lemon. Peel off it. Cut the lemon into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need coriander leaf. Cut the coriander leaf into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Now take it in a blender. Add a spoon of ginger powder. Add a glass of water. Use blending machine to blend it well. Strain it. Now take it in a bottle. Cover the mixture for 20 minutes. Take the drink in a cup. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days and you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.